So here is my slip into spring shawl, or neck warmer really, as that's what I like to wear quite a lot. It's a beautiful slip stitch pattern using 2 colours, and the back is just as beautiful as well, so it can be worn either side. What I want to show you today is how I wear it so that it doesn't move about and you don't have lots of loose ends. So just wrap it around your neck like a normal triangular shawl. You could leave it like that if you want, but there's these little catches here which are quite handy to keep it in place. So grab the end, pop it through these 3 on this side, and then cinch them up a little bit. There we go. And then these 3 here, if you grab this again, this point, and pop it through these 3, help keep it in place, but also help it look really nice, centered. Let's just pull those up a bit, and you can move them to wherever you want them to be so that it's the right length for you. And there you have it, my slip into spring neck warmer.